All right, Lord, thank you so much for that. Of course, folks, we are talking about South Carolina recovery efforts after the state's deadly flooding. A few moments ago, we spoke with FEMA, and now we're going to be speaking to a representative from the U.S. Small Business Administration. Many business owners know these individuals as those folks who help them out in times of crisis. But check this out. You don't only have to be a business owner to get help from them. Joining us now is Michael Peacock with SBA. Thank you so much for being here this morning.
Thank you for having me.
Absolutely. And of course, we're going to have another segment with you. So I know that we were trying to figure out how we're going to get all this together, but we're going to also have him after the break as well. But first off, okay, not just business owners can get help from you all. Explain that.
That's correct. The SBA's disaster office is basically the nation's disaster loan bank. We assist homeowners, renters, private nonprofit organizations, and businesses of any size if they've had damage from a disaster.
So I'm a business owner. I don't have physical damage, you know, there's no water, there's no mold or anything or physical damage to my structure. Can I still apply for assistance?
If your business has been impacted economically, let's say that because of all the road closures.
Right. No one can get to my business.
No one can get to your business. So now your business has been impacted economically. So those businesses, those small businesses, and that's the only time that small comes into play for SBA's disaster loans.
Okay.
Small businesses that have had an economic impact can apply to SBA for what we call economic injury disaster loans.
Well, do you see that a lot around around disasters like this, even though no physical damage? But
yes, and in cases like such as this where you've had a lot of damage to infrastructure.
Right.
Okay. And flooding in particular, where there's limited access to businesses.
Yeah.
And they've been impacted by the amount of sales have decreased.
Good point.
Okay. So
Right.
their cash flow has been impacted. So they need extra funding, extra working capital to pay for their normal monthly operating expenses.